Tethering between Mac and MIMO 5 is easy. You just need to set a few settings once and then you are able to connect. Start with connecting the USB cable. When the dialog pop-ups, choose PC switch mode. Make sure the device has working internet connection. On Mac screen, you will get two new network adapters. Choose the one that has a phone icon. In this initial dialog, the only thing you need to add is the telephone number, which is *99#. In the advanced dialog, set the vendor to be Nokia, the model to be GPRS, and the access point name according to the settings provided by your cellular operator. Now it's time to accept the changes, and once the changes have been applied, you are free to connect your Mac to internet via the N900 device.